Hi, this is a video to show how you can make an easy online purchase of 3CX products using our customer management system. For that, first you should have got logged in into our CMS either from your mobile app or through the website. And then now you can see me logged in here in the website. I'm clicking on buy 3CX. The page opens like this. You can see select to order. You can simply select. I'm selecting I would like to. Please choose a category. You can make a purchase or upgrade an existing license or opt for maintenance. Now I'm going to make a purchase. So I'm clicking on purchase a new license. I'm selecting on the edition. We have various editions: standard, professional, enterprise level. And now I'm selecting standard. And then I'm choosing the concurrent license. You can choose anything that you want. You see here the percentage of discount is being displayed here. This discount is purely reseller based. I'm clicking on this. The discount offer varies for different resellers, and you can mention the quantity. You can make up to 5, and then if you want you can go straight and add to cart, or if you want you can view cart. I'm clicking on view cart. The items are displayed over here, and if you do not want you can delete the items, or if you want you can add other items also. I will just click this icon to remove this product. I'm clicking on the delete icon. Product removed from your cart. The product will be removed from my cart. See, it has been removed. It is not displayed anymore. Now I will show you how to add another product. I'm clicking on add another product. Again, I'm going to select the categories, edition, and then the concurrent license. The quantity I'm keeping as 1. Now I'm going to click on add to cart. Product successfully added to your cart. This means that I have successfully added another product to the cart. It is displayed here. You can see that. Now I am sure about what I'm going to purchase. So I'm going to proceed to checkout. So I'm clicking on this icon, proceed to checkout. You can see the payment details mentioned over here, and the payment terms and the coupon codes I will explain. This is the code of the product that you have selected, the product description, the price given in USD dollars, and the quantity, the discount that you are capable to avail, and the total amount. This is the payment terms. Within 30 days you have to make the payment. This is the coupon code. If you are capable of availing any coupons, then you can enter the code over here and give verify. Your code will be verified and you will be able to avail the coupon slashes. Now this is the payment method. You can choose any payment method. You can see here pay offline. This is a facility which is available to the customers who have the required credit amount to make the current purchase. Suppose the client has $45,000 as his credit, and if the products that he has chosen to buy now fall within this $45,000, then he can avail this pay offline facility. Otherwise, he will not be able to. That is just an example. This all depends on the credit balance that you have. So if you have that balance with you, you can click on this. Then what you have to do is give submit button and you will be successfully making the purchase. The invoice will be generated and the license key will be mailed to you.